Hello guys, this is Kumar and my number 91823-56607. Firstly, a great welcome and great congratulations to you, as this is one of the greatest opportunity you got through your friend, or it might be from your family or from me. So this is my own company name Inflame. I am the core key person of Inflame. So why this opportunity? Okay, so why this opportunity? Coming to why this opportunity, if you're earning in thousands or unable to earn, or there are no, if you have no jobs outside, or you don't have work from home opportunities near to you, then this is for you. Or even if you're earning crores or lakhs, also you can do this. So coming to the point, the main matter is money. Yes. So coming to money, when we are talking about money, ultimately the people come in our mind are rich people, right? How people becoming rich? Answer is they are creating multiple sources. What do these rich people do is they build networks. Workers are called networks. What do these workers do? They work for them, right? So coming to money, how money is how can we earn money? Money can be earned in 4 different categories, that is employees, self-employed, businessmen, investing. So coming to employees, they work 8 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours, like that. So coming to self-employees, they have they own 4 to 5 different kinds of shops. Okay, so coming to investors, they invest money and they make money. Businessmen create networks. Okay, so coming to employees, self-employees, business people and investors, in their time, money and energy. Coming to employees, they don't have time, money and energy. If they earn 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, then they might see somewhat money. And self-employees, they'll be having money, time, they'll be having money, it is okay, and they don't have energy. Coming to businessmen, investors, they have time, money and energy. See, if we have more money and we have more energy, but if you don't have time, then it is waste of time, right? So we can't spend the time with our family and their response. Okay, so in the same way, vice versa, we should have all these 3. Okay, now how to step for rich? Okay, normal people, how what is the daily working capability? 8 hours. If they work 8 hours, they'll be getting 10,000. If they work 10 hours, they'll be getting 12,000. If they work 12 hours, they'll be getting 15,000. If they work 15 hours, they'll be getting somewhat more money, right? So you can clearly identify here is the amount of time they keep, the amount of money they get. So time directly proportional to money. What if a person works for 16 hours? So like let us assume like 8 hours plus 8 hours equal to 16 hours. So if they work 8 hours, they'll be getting 10,000 income. So extra, if they work extra 8 hours, then they'll be getting extra 10,000 income. So finally 20,000, right? So here time directly proportional to money. So what if a person works for 24 hours a day? He can't work. Let us assume if you work 8 plus 8 plus 8 go 24 hours. So if you get 10,000 for 8 hours, every 8 hours, that means 10,000 equal to 30,000, right? So here time directly proportional to money. So how much time we keep, that much money we get. So right now we need to create more time. How? Okay, so rich are building networks. Google search. Okay, coming to India, when we talk about richest persons, the person who first strikes in our mind is Ambani, right? Right now he is earning, in lockdown he earned, even in lockdown he earned 90 crores for every 1 hour. You believe it or not, Google search it, you'll be getting all proofs. Okay, so only Reliance Industries, total number of employees are there was 2,36,334 by 2021. So tell me, what if Ambani works for 8 hours? He'll be getting 10,000. Think like he's a normal person. What if you want 30,000? He should work for 24 hours, right? before we talked. So like that, what he is doing was he identified that if we keep more money, we'll be getting at that point. Ambani, what he identified was, if we keep more time, we'll be getting more money, right? So like that, he created employees. First he created his company employees. He understood the success secret. He created employees. With these employees, he'll be getting, see, every 2 lakh total 2 lakh employees keep that 8 hours, right? So that entire 8 hours of 2 lakh people will be counted for Ambani. They are working under him. That means Ambani is working, like if you count 2,36,334 into 8, you will be getting 8,90,672 hours. Okay, Ambani is working for these many hours indirectly. So, and for this, as we know, the time is directly proportional to money. With this time, he is earning 90 crore per 1 hour. Okay, so time directly proportional to money. So coming now, we have a great opportunity where you can create free networks. Okay, so let us assume if we want to start a company, we need to have lots of money. We should keep a company, we should have products, we should have manpower, we should give them salary, right? So for you, it's no need. Companies are, products is our salary, will be giving to you, commissions, you think whatever you think, commissions, incomes, will be giving them. So completely it's a zero investment opportunity where you can create network, where you can create, if you're creating time, you'll be getting, if you're creating network, you'll be getting time, right? More number of time you get, more number of money you can gain. So like that, we have an opportunity where you can get all these for free, okay, with zero investment. So morely you can do this as a part-time, do along with another job where you can for survival, where you can get two multiple source of incomes. Okay, and don't depend only on Inflame right now. Depend only on Inflame and you get more than expected incomes. Okay, so I'll show you one opportunity where you can make more money. Are you excited? Yes.